So I found a shortcuts workaround. So you see we're looking at Dev, and we want to go to Studio Code, Windows 1. You see? So Windows 1 is the first shortcut in the task menu. Windows 2, second. Windows 3, third, right? So let's say we want to flip very quickly between Visual Studio Code. So we're type, we've done something, want to go back to DevTools, there it is, right? I'm just clicking Windows 1. So you see, this is how you can operate. Open and close it, and that's it. So we inspected an element, and your website is in here. So you see we're looking at buffer, so we have 2 monitors, right? So I don't know, we want to inspect an element. Let's look at navbar. We inspect it. There is our header. There is our navbar, right? So let's say we find out that whatever, we want display to be flex, max width to be this, right? We want to input this into Visual Studio Code. There you go. Does that make sense? So you're only using Windows 1 basically, and that's it. Now the reason why I'm doing this video is because, I mean, to be honest with you, when you have a docked, you see when you have a docked in here, it just doesn't work, honestly. You see if you dock it, I don't know, I saw some people do this like this. The problem is there's just too much stuff to manage. Do you know what I mean? I mean, that's probably the second most efficient way to do it. But then you see you need your console log. And that can be a problem. The easiest way to do it would be to undock it, right? Put your website to the side, and then you can use your Visual Studio Code, and that's it. So again, let's say we want to inspect a button. There is our button. We want to input something. Windows 1. That's it. Take care.